Hey friends, neighbors, and fellow Portland residents. I'm Alex Roy, and you're here for another Portland home tour. And boy, am I excited to show you this new construction up in Northeast Portland, just a stone's throw away from Deacon Triangle. I'm excited because not only does it have the same great features and finishes that a lot of other new construction that I've shown you has, but it also has a very cool, unique layout and design to this house that I have not seen on every new construction. So it's very cool. Can't wait to walk you through it. You should stick around because this has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, over 2,400 square feet for only $650,000 for brand new construction. So this is something to check out. Let's go take a look. So as soon as you step into the house, first thing you're greeted by is a real classic feature, a large high staircase right in front of you with beautiful banisters and railings. Love it. And then flowing through, you get that real nice open feel, open concept design of the home, starting with a wide, expansive living room. Beautiful box beam ceilings, which are just a great classy accent to any home, as well as classic built-ins and a big, beautiful mantle for the fireplace. Look at the size of this. This is gorgeous. Of course, that's a gas fireplace, simple as a flick of a switch to turn that on and off. Instant, perfect, comfortable heat for the winter time as you're sitting in front of the TV up above. You've got the gas place right down there by your feet. The living room flows right into the dining room, also adding to this feel of a nice, open, large house. And in the dining room, the gorgeous wainscoting continues. Perfect for hosting, perfect for dinner service. I also like the timepieces here, the time period pieces with these light fixtures, giving you a real classic look to the home. All right, let's check out that other front room. Also, right off the front door when you come in, got these great French doors with glass that open to a perfect little study or playroom. This gets just gorgeous morning light coming in. You can imagine sitting here reading, doing a little bit of work on an early Sunday morning after having breakfast. So peaceful, beautiful, looking out onto the street and the gorgeous front lawn. Off of this room, we've got the main floor bathroom, which is really large. I love the size of this. Here, got a beautiful vanity with high mirror, toilet, and then right behind you here, it is a full bathroom with its built-in shower. Because this is a one-level home, we also want all of our utilities like our furnace and our hot water heater to be readily accessible. Those are all discreetly tucked away in this bathroom right here. We've got a high-end tankless water heater and a great efficient gas furnace, brand new, ready to rock and roll. Great heating for the home and readily accessible but discreetly hidden in the home. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen also feels nice and open and expansive. The dining room flows right into it, has a great island with the seating, with the bar stools, chairs, so you can be eating breakfast here. But you don't just need the kitchen for eating breakfast. There's also a wonderful breakfast nook just off of it that I want to show you. Some other great features of the kitchen. I love just how much counter space you have in it that's functionally designed to do some great work. You have the window right in front of the sink so you can be looking out of that while doing the dishes, washing up after dinner. And for those households that are real busy, you've got kids that want to be able to use that microwave. I love it when the microwave is tucked down into the island. What a great feature. And naturally, great stainless steel appliances, including this KitchenAid gas stove. And as I said, just off of the kitchen, this is something I really love. Not every home has this, a really large breakfast nook. Not only do we have the dining room, we also have this great breakfast nook that's looking out into a really beautiful backyard. I'm gonna show you that in just a second. Now let's check out the upstairs and the master bedroom. So at the top landing of the stairs, I love how you've got all this nice room up here, plush carpeted floors. You've got a common bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and your laundry room right up here on the top floor. So good to have the laundry room up where the laundry is being made. Love it. But now let's check out the master bedroom. Beautiful, wide master bedroom with the conference ceilings. Love that tray level to it. Looks great. High windows for privacy. Nobody's looking in through these, but getting great morning light as you're waking up in the morning. And then front window looking out over top of the street. Right behind you here, I don't usually show walk-in closets that are just separate, but this one feels really nice and open. You know, you got your built-in shoe trays, other built-in shelving all around. It's just perfect. Feels like a perfect walk-in closet. And then through the bedroom, we've got this gorgeous master bathroom coming to the back of the house. Looks out over the backyard, but once again, you have no high homes around here that you have privacy concerns with. None at all. You're looking down on all the homes around. You've got beautiful quartz countertop in here, very stylish. The huge mirror in front of the double sink, vanity. And then of course, naturally, gorgeous soaker tub with the decorative window and the large tiled built-in shower. To go to the backyard, let's walk down the driveway. Look how beautiful and deep this is, and I love how they did the concrete pads, very stylish, just on the wheel wells. Comes through a gated area into your gorgeous backyard. Quick note about this detached garage. I love how it's got the same style as the house, looks real classy like that, but check this out. On the side, these French doors with glass allow you to use this not only as a garage, but it could be a great art studio. Doesn't that look great? All right. And now through in the backyard, you can see we're just off of the breakfast nook in the house of what we were looking out the windows at. Have a fantastic little patio here with the beautiful natural wood soffits. I love those. You absolutely have to have those on your outdoor patio. You still have the classic Craftsman batters back here, so we're not skimping on any style and period charm of this home in the backyard. Fan and light overhead where you can be barbecuing, and then gorgeous grass lawn, a sign that the builder here has taken some real time to make sure that this home is truly move-in ready. So there you have it, 717 Northeast Morgan Street, Portland, Oregon. Gorgeous new construction on the market right now for $650,000, 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. You've got to check this out in person, and I can make that happen for you. I'm a trusted buyer's agent here in Eastside Portland, so just give me a call at 503-233-4592 or shoot me an email. All my contact information is in the description of this video. I'm Alex Roy, trusted realtor, working hard for your success.
Shake it, don't wanna fake it. I try to wicked, while I make it. I wanna this, I know.